Hi everyone, I'm Alex from Phrase. It is my pleasure to introduce to you the new feature of Phrase Orchestrator, Loops. With Loops, we're taking the user experience of building workflows to the next level. It is our biggest and the most requested feature since the launch of Orchestrator, and we are very excited to show it to you. Now let's take a closer look at Loops in action. Imagine that you want to load some data from the Phrase API, but the action only gives you a limited records per page. So to load everything, you need to make a request to page 1, page 2, page 3, and so on. Let's create such a workflow first without loops. I'll use the list locales action, and I know that I want to load 3 pages of it. Without loops, I need to add the action 3 times and change the page number each time. This can get annoying quite fast. With loops, you can perform this task much quicker. I add the action only once and configure loops. Here I set up my sequence and put 3, which is my last page. And in the parameters config, I use the magic loops variable item instead of the hard-coded page value. This variable will be automatically replaced with values 1, 2, and 3 when the workflow runs. We also display the action as a stack when there are loops present. This is just one example of how loops can save you time and make your workflow more efficient. But loops are much more powerful than just creating sequences for pagination. You can loop through arrays, objects, and dynamic parameters. We'll be releasing more tutorial videos soon to showcase these advanced actions. And that concludes our overview of Orchestrator loops. We hope you're as excited as we are about this feature. Thank you for joining us today, and we can't wait to see what amazing workflows you build.